What's going on, you guys? It is me, CGVRP, back on your screen with a brand new video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you guys are new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below to join me and CGVRP today. And today we're going to be selling the new Pagani at the new Pagani dealership. I am so excited. I cannot believe we're doing this today, guys. So let's go ahead and get on the road. We are driving our old minivan, guys. I am so excited. So let's go ahead and get this van, guys. I'm so excited to get to work today. Can't wait to sell these Paganis like crazy. Oh my word. Let's go ahead and get on the road right now. I don't live far away from work. I just have to drive a little bit to get to work. Not that much of a drive, to be honest. So, alright, let's go ahead and... Okay, I think we're good. We're going to go a little bit slow there. Okay. I'm so glad I moved close to work because I used to live so far away from work, but now I don't anymore. I used to have another job. I used to work at the McDonald's because that Karen fired me, like I said, but now I couldn't pay for the Camry anymore now, and I'm driving this thing now, so I'm really upset, but it's okay. It is what it is, I guess. Oh my gosh, we're pulling up. Oh my god, please slow down. Alright, here we are. Cannot wait to sell this Pagani today. Oh my word. Okay, well, I think we're gonna go ahead and start with our first customer. CGVRP. That's me. Okay. So you said you've been wanting to buy this 2006 Pagani Zonda, right? Yeah? Oh, sorry. Okay. What's your name again? CGVRP. Okay. So, would you like to go for a test drive on it? Yeah, I would love to. Alright, I'm gonna have to go with you for this one, so here is the key. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get going. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and hopefully he does not drive too crazy with this, like, car. But let's go ahead and get on the road, guys. What the heck? What is going on? What is doing? Okay. Alright, sir. Go ahead and go for a test drive in this thing. Alright, just please go safely, okay? Alright. So you like to buy the Pagani? Yeah. Alright. How much will it be? I'll go talk about it inside with you. Alright. Alright. go ahead and go inside here, and we're going to talk about the price. Alright, sir, so what's gonna be my price? I need you to pay $18 million. $18 million? Bet, can I pay with a card? Yeah, you can pay with a card. Okay, pays with card. Alrighty, sir. Okay, your card worked. Okay, and enjoy your new car, okay? Please don't crash into it. I'm gonna watch you leave, okay? Alright. Alright. Sir, put the roof up, okay? It's starting to snow. Sorry. No, you're good. Alright. Get out of here safely. Alright. Alright, guys. It's starting to snow, guys. I think they're saying something on the radar. Oh my gosh. Oh my word, I can't believe this. Oh my word. Snowstorm coming to GB. Please evacuate. Gosh. Oh my gosh! We need to evacuate! Oh my word, oh my word. Guys. It won't let me in my van. Oh my god, we need to get out of here, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe this. We're gonna have to leave, we're gonna have to leave Greenville right now. We're gonna have to go to Brookmere due to this crazy storm. I cannot believe it. Let's go ahead and get going. Oh my word. This has been an unbelievable day today. I can't believe it. We're gonna go really slow. We're gonna have to... I don't want to go so fast, because... We're gonna try and go 55 or 53 or 52. I don't know. Bro, we need to go faster than that. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Finally. Oh my god, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Oh my gosh, guys, the snow is not. The van is really not made for this weather. But hopefully we can like get out of here quickly and safely, like But we're just gonna have to get out of here. I can't believe it, guys. On our first day back at work from winter, like the New Year's. Are you kidding me, bro? Oh my gosh. We're just gonna get out of here. Unbelievable. We're gonna have to go stay in one of those houses up there. Oh my gosh. Why is it so hard to get up here? Guys, the van is not made for these hills. Oh my gosh, come on, van. You can do it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh, our van is almost low on gas. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. Come on, van. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. Okay, there we go. Finally. Yeah, the van is not really good on these hills. Man, I think we're gonna have to take shelter here. Because... we're just gonna take shelter here, guys. It's really close. We're pretty much in Brookmere, but I don't think there's a gas station nearby yet, so luckily this thing's a 4-cylinder, so it can handle it. park here, guys. Come on. Sorry, I don't know why the lights are acting up on that van. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so cold out here. It is like 0 degrees out here right now. Oh my gosh. We gotta run inside. Oh my word, oh my word. Oh my gosh, it's closed. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? What the heck? Oh my word. Oh my gosh. No. Alright, then I guess this is not the place for us. Let's just get out of here. We're just gonna have to go. Oh my gosh. Let's go out of here. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.